Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about other features on the platform, which is account setup, brand safety hub, finance, and documents. So let's have a look at this. So on the platform, if you go to tools, the first is account setup in settings. So account setup just shows you all the basic information about the account. Okay, all that will be here. You can do your account verification as well. Okay, apart from that, your billing information will be here. You can add that your primary contact details, which you can add over here. So all that will be there in the account setup section. And then what you also have here is brand safety hub. So brand safety hub is primarily where you can also go ahead and identify which other inventory filter you can set up here. So primarily there are three types of inventory filters. So inventory filter is basically the type of content which you want to target on TikTok. So they have broken it down into three major categories, which is expanded inventory, standard inventory, and limited inventory. Standard inventory is mostly recommended where you can run ads on various kinds of content, which is appropriate for most of the brands. In limited inventory are going to be a content where these ads are content is very restricted, limited, and contains a lot of mature themes. So the reach can be very limited. And expanded inventory is ads will not appear next to explicit inappropriate content, but they may appear next to content that features mature themes. So this can be a little aggressively, we can run the ads. So in most of the cases, we choose standard inventory. Other than this, you can add some additional controls like you can certain categories which you want to exclude completely. You can do that here. Okay, vertical sensitivity. So you want to make sure that certain verticals are not aware are something which are not related to you. So you want to avoid them completely. You can select from here. And also you can add some exclusion list, certain topics specifically which you think are not at all related to your business. Okay, with that can be added right here. So that becomes our brand safety hub. And then there is documents. Documents is basically if you want to run ads in specific regions, specific countries, geographies, then adding certain documents of that region, which allows you, which gives you the approval to do so, that can be added over here. So that's your industry documents. Similarly, there is integrity verification, account verification. So documents which verifies account integrity. So that needs to be uploaded right here. Other than that, there is ads documents. Ads documents are basically which allows you to run certain ads in certain countries. Okay, approvals are needed. So in such cases, documents need to be uploaded right here. So that becomes our document section. And lastly, you have finance. Finance is where you can see the billing information, how you're paying for TikTok ads, your billing related, payment related, any outstanding payments which are there. Okay. Any type of promotion. So you have got a coupon code which you want to apply on your TikTok ads account. You can do it from here specifically. So if you go to promotions, you will be able to redeem your ad credits, which can be used for advertising purposes. Okay. Payment section is here. So you can see what is the money which is sitting on the ads account. And if you want to add more, you can do that from here by add balance. All that can be done. And then transactions. So where you can see the daily transactions based on the clicks, impressions you're getting, how much TikTok is charging you for that will be documented right here. If you want invoices, that you can download from the invoices section at the end of the month. So you can get that as well from here. So this is the finance section, guys, which you can find here. This is all which you have under the settings section. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand these four features. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.